Good afternoon, everyone. ROFFS analyst James here, and it is currently July 19th. Hope everyone had a good weekend. We'll be taking a quick look at the ocean conditions from Cape Hatteras to Cape Cod from this past weekend. Big news this week is continuing to monitor the larger clockwise rotating eddy formation off of Oceanographer Canyon, located here. This eddy is interacting directly with the Gulf Stream water, hoping to bring in some good conditions towards the ledges and good bottom off of George's Bank. We also anticipate this eddy to continue moving westward over the next few days. However, we also saw a smaller counterclockwise rotating eddy along the western side of this Gulf Stream eddy. This smaller counterclockwise rotation has appeared to dissipate it a little bit, but it's still brought in some filaments of warmer water inshore of the 100-fathom ledge from Hydrographer and Beach Canyon. One thing to keep in mind is we anticipate another counterclockwise rotating eddy formation developing along the southwestern side of this larger eddy. We'll keep an eye on that one as it develops and potentially moves into the good bottom near Hydrographer Canyon. Earlier in the week, we had observed a clockwise rotating eddy off of Hudson Canyon that has now moved to the southeast of Tom's Canyon. It'll be interesting to keep an eye on this eddy as this larger Gulf Stream eddy continues moving to the east. As a result, this movement will likely pull some of this water further south and offshore. Additionally, we're seeing some of this water being pulled off of Wilmington and Baltimore Canyon. However, as we move a little bit further south, we can see some lingering filaments of Gulf Stream water over about 1,200 fathoms off of Washington and Norfolk Canyon. However, this warmer water was pushed further offshore over the past week and is likely to continue in this direction over the next few days. However, we also see this additional filament further south over the 500 fathom depths off of just to the north of the point off of Oregon Inlet. The other thing to keep in mind is the continuing warming of inshore waters along the coastline from Virginia Beach, moving all the way up to Ocean City now. This warming of the inshore waters is likely to bring in some additional inshore tuna fishing action as we move later into the season. Now, moving over to our ocean color imagery, again, we can see that clockwise rotating eddy, as well as some of the filament water that was moved west over Hydrographer and Beach Canyon before moving back offshore. Here you can see some of the remnants of that clockwise eddy to the south of and southeast of Tom's Canyon before getting moved offshore by this larger counterclockwise Gulf Stream eddy formation. And the filament water inshore or closer to shore off of Washington and Norfolk Canyon, and the smaller one to the north of the point off of Oregon Inlet here, showing a little bit cleaner blue water offshore of about 1,000 fathoms and 500 fathoms down here. With this in mind, be sure to head to roffs.com or call our office at 321-723-5759 to put your orders in as we continue to watch some good conditions developing in the further northeast portion of this chart area. Hopefully we get some good action moving forward up there. Have a good week, everyone.